What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to break down the mixer section and the DSP on our Titan Column 12. So now that we have everything all assembled, let's take a look at the back of the subwoofer where we have the mixer and the DSP to function the whole system. So starting at the very top underneath the LED display, we have the mode button to switch the input source for the Titan Column 12. So if you had multiple sources of music plugged in at the same time, you can use this mode button to switch between the different options. We can also use this to engage the TWS or True Wireless Stereo mode if we had two of these speaker systems. Next to that we have buttons for music playback like the pause and play button. We have the stop button to stop the track and the repeat button to repeat a track. Then we have the previous and next buttons. And then we have a USB or SD card input so we can play music from a USB thumb drive or an SD card. Underneath that we have the digital sound processor or the DSP. This allows us to change the overall sound of the system with preset EQs. And then we can use this DSP mode knob to switch between the different options. Those options include normal, DJ, voice, live, or flat. Just to show you how differently each of these presets sound, I'm gonna play some music and switch through each one. Alright, sounds really good. So this is the normal. Back around, we'll go to the last setting. Wow. Alright, so here's the last one. Cool. All of these options sound different from the other, so feel free to cycle between them to find which one is right for you. Below that we have the line input section with an RCA line input and an XLR line input. We can use this to connect an outside source like a powered speaker or a mixer with an RCA output or an XLR output. This input is also a combo jack input, which means you can plug in an XLR or a 1/4 inch cable. You're also going to want to use the line level knob in order for the outside signal to come through the Titan Column 12. And a sidebar, you're also going to use this knob to control your MP3 or Bluetooth device. We also have an XLR mix output if we wanted to connect the Titan Column 12 to the line input of another powered speaker or mixer. Next we have the mic, guitar, and line input to connect either a microphone, guitar, or a line level instrument like a keyboard. This is also a combo jack so you can connect any XLR or 1/4 inch cable. Something to note is that you'll want to use this button here depending on what you have plugged into this input. So if you have your microphone or guitar plugged in, you'll want to press this button in to set it to microphone or guitar mode. And if you're using a line level instrument, you'll want to leave this button pressed out to set it to line mode. And then we have the level knob to set the level for the microphone, guitar, or line level instrument. So hopefully this helped explain the mixer and the DSP section on your Titan Column 12. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.